Hey YouTube, Blastoise Rules back with Pokemon Gaia Volcano Booster Box number 3 for you. So here's the box artwork, first edition. Ready just to get right into it. Let's get started. So let's see what I can pull. I am still missing a few EXs out of the set. I'm missing Camerupt EX, Aggron EX, and Primal Groudon EX, plus a ton of ultra rare cards. And I mean ultra rares, I mean like super secret rares or whatever, which are full arts, and the 2 ultra rare shinies. So let's see if we can get one of those in here, if not more. We have a Nidoran, Bunnelby, Slugma, Medicham Hollow, and Rhyperior. Good start. Let me sleeve this right away. Hoping to get a Primal Groudon sometime soon. I do have 3 more sealed boxes in the background of Gaia Volcano, along with 2 more coming in the mail. And I'm probably actually going to buy some more of them as well in the next couple of weeks. We have Hippowdon, Vibrava, Nosepass, Ancient Trait Rhyperior Hollow, really nice card, and the half art Cargo. Very nice. If you wonder why I pause, in between this I write down what I pull. So, just so you guys know. We have a Sceptile, a Combusken, Drillbur, popping out, Trico. There we go. That's exactly what I wanted. Primal Groudon EX. Awesome. That blue on there looks incredible, by the way, in the cargo. Wow. I am so happy to get this off my wants list. Hoping within the other boxes I could pull a couple more. That would be definitely cool. But it's definitely a nice start to my collection for sure. Very nice. Who knows? That may be the pull of the box, possibly. We have Buffalant, Grovyle, I cheated, Rhydon, Blaziken Hollow, and Breloom. Love this artwork as well. It looks very, very nice. Let's see if I can keep this video at about the 12-minute mark would be cool. I know you guys are probably getting sick of 20-minute videos, so try and keep it less than that. We have a Norman Scrap Code, Squeaky Chair, a Shroomish, Torchic, Tangela, Hippowdon Hollow, and the Bicycle. I think it's called like a macro bike or something. Something like that. Just leave that up. These look really nice in the sleeves as well. So we've got 5 of them so far. Nice Pikachu scrap code. Mr. Rocker Pikachu dude. Solrock. Vibrava. Drillbur. Awesome, I needed that as well. My first Camera Upped EX. And a Nidoqueen Half Art. Very nice. So happy to get at least one of these. Not a super fan of it. I mean, it looks okay, I guess. It's not that amazing. But I still need it for my set, so... We'll be hitting some non-holo packs soon as well, until I find the holos. Unless I happen to get them all in a row, which is very unlikely, but I guess it could happen. Just only about a 10% chance. We have a Zigzagoon, Electrike Half Art, Rhyhorn, another Groudon EX. Awesome. Really love this card. And a Nidoqueen. So, we are already at 3 EX cards. This is really cool. There might be a full art in here too, or a shiny, possibly. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I definitely want to keep some packs sealed from this box. So hopefully I can. I haven't been able to yet from this set. We have Shroomish, Meditite, Volbeat, what's this called? Teammates is what it's called, and Braylon. I had to think there. I was thinking like Friendship or Friends or something. Let's open this one. Cool, another holo. Cool looking Steven and Metagross, I believe. I think it's Steven is his name. League champion or something. Nidorina, Tangela, Trapinch, Manetric Holo. Like that holo. And the special energy card. I don't remember exactly what it's called, but nice to pull another one of those. So what am I looking at? Is that 8? Yep, 8. So let's start here. Let's see what we can pull. Wow, that was lucky. Shiny Metagross code card. A Grovyle, Vulpix, Trico, Flygon. I actually needed that. I did not have that holo yet. So that is really sweet. Awesome. And Groudon Spirit Link. I think I have all the holos now from both sets, I believe. I think we had a non-holo pack. Yeah, I'm just gonna go through it without saying the names. Save some time, guys. I know you guys are probably getting sick of watching these openings already. I mean, the set's only been out for, what, 2 weeks now, but I know a lot of people are opening a ton of boxes from it, so... We have a Zigzagoon, Slugma, Electric, Sceptile, and a... I don't know, remember what that is. It's like... I'm not even gonna guess. No clue. Come on, shiny. Pop yourself out. Make my day. Nice Groudon scrap code. Nothing in here. We're just gonna go through it. Couple of 3 half arts actually. Right there. So let's say this one and this one don't have anything. Last pack probably doesn't have anything. Did we get... No, we didn't. Probopass, Rare Candy, Hone Edge, Diggersby, and Torchic half art. Come on. Start at the beginning, I guess. Just go all the way through and hope that I can pull it, I guess. That one looks new for scrap code. I don't think I have it yet. Just Aggron, Spirit Link, Torchic, Tangrowth, Bunnelby, and Trapinch. I don't think I'd have 4 hollow packs in a row. Come on, where are you, hollow? The worst thing is it could be an ultra rare, and I don't want to end up leaving it sealed if it is. Sweet, I think we got it. Awesome. A Bunnelby, Combuskin, Hone Edge, Excadrill Hollow. Nice. And Excadrill to follow it off again. So, an Excadrill Hollow. Just leave that. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome. I know there are a couple 11 box packs, but I don't know. I may end up opening these in the future, but I have 3 sealed packs from this set finally. My hollows were Excadrill, Flagon, Manectric, Rhyperior, Hippowdon, Blaziken, Medicham. My EXs were Camerupt, Groudon, and a Primal Groudon. My favorite pull probably from this set so far, except for maybe the full art I've pulled. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Please leave a thumbs up. I'd have to say this set's given me worse pulls than Tidal Storm is. I have not missed a box for an ultra rare in Tidal Storm yet. So, I don't know. Hopefully this set picks up. Would be awesome. I hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned for more videos. Leave a like. Bye, guys.